what are the different ways in which you can use this oil, and why this oil is so popular and most searched oil in internet? At what quantity you should be using this oil to get maximum benefit? And what are the don'ts for this oil, which is also very important. So look up for that part in this video. Hey guys, it's Shalini and welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can use tea tree oil and why you should be using it. The reason I'm doing this video is because summer season is here, which means pimple season is here, which means sweaty face, sweaty underarms, all those disgusting things are gonna come along with the season. So yeah, I just got my hands in this oil and I started making research regarding it, and I came to know about so many beauty benefits and why this oil is so helpful for your skin, hair, and in some cases oral health also. So tea tree oil is also known as TTO or Melaleuca alternifolia oil, which is derived from an Australian native plant. I know it took me long enough to remember that name, but it's true. And because of its antiseptic and antibacterial property, this oil has been used for over at least 100 years. So that is why this oil has got really good impression over beauty industries and healthcare industry. So there are different brands for tea tree oil, and the one I will be using today in this entire video is by the brand Alenza. This is their 100% pure essential oil, and this retails for $449 and you get 15 ml of product. And also this has got a dropper, which is so amazing because now you can control over the quantity, how much you want to use it. And trust me when I say this, you have to control the quantity of this oil because this is like the strongest antiseptic oil. For some cases you just need one teeny mini drop and that's it. So this will last you forever. When I say this bottle is small, cute, compact, but this will last you forever. And this is like one of the most affordable brand, this Alenza brand. So yeah, please try to check it out. I will put a link for it in the description box. Point number 1, do not consume this oil in any form and keep it away from children. Children, I'm really serious right now. Just stay away from this, okay? Because it's really dangerous to consume it and just be around it. So just away from it. Good. Number 2, if you have really dry skin or sensitive skin, try to do patch test and just apply it on the area where you have a tiny pimple and just wait if it reacts or if it dries out the area. And always try to use it with some other product if you cannot handle the impact of this oil, because this oil is really strongest oil I have ever used. So just try to dilute it whenever you want to use it. Number 3, conjunction of this oil with some other treatment. So if you're already on a medication, if you're using some cream which is anti-acne cream or some face pack which is meant for your acne, so don't try to use this oil and mix and match it. Again, this oil is really very strong. It could dry out your skin, and our skin, especially our face area, this facial face, it's very sensitive and you don't want to harm it. I would recommend always that use it for a spot treatment, for your pimples, for your dark spot, for your acne marks, all sort of things, but don't try to mix it with your regular cream, your aloe vera, your face pack. Don't do that. I don't recommend it at all. So now I'm going to show you some really cool ways in which you can use this oil. So let's begin. This oil can penetrate deep into your skin, and because of the antibacterial property of it, this can be used for acne treatment. I like to spot treat my acne. For that, I like to mix it with a little bit of aloe vera and less than a drop of tea tree oil, and then let it sit on the acne spot for 20 minutes, and over that I will apply my regular cream. Because it penetrates deep into your skin, this can be used to soften out your dry cuticles. Just mix it with some aloe vera. You can use olive oil or jojoba oil and apply to the area, and this will also make your hands smell amazing. So this is something I've discovered recently and I'm just obsessed with it. Because of the antibacterial property, you can use it to sanitize your makeup brushes and makeup sponges, which we forgot to wash, and we apply makeup every single day, and that can create acne on our face. So use it and this will make a huge difference. Okay, now hold your breath because I'm gonna drop a bomb right here. Do you know that adding just 1 drop of tea tree oil to your toothpaste is equivalent to brushing your teeth twice a day? Just never consume this, okay? You can also use this as a mouthwash. The antibacterial property will fight bad breath and also oral thrush. Yeah, that white thing on your tongue, that's that. So if you have been following me for the longest, you know that how much I'm into no chemical stuff for my hair. So who is gonna use an egg for dandruff? cannot handle the bad smell. So use tea tree oil with your regular shampoo and wash your hair. Trust me, you will love me for this hack. And yes, if you have got some time in that day, you can add in with your favorite oil. I like to use it with coconut or almond oil. So now don't tell me that you never cut yourself or had razor bumps after shaving. And with waxing, don't even start with it. The after waxing regime is like too much because you have to take care of skin properly because of open pores, irritation and ingrown hair problem. So quick hack would be use tea tree oil because of the antibacterial property. It will soothe your skin, calm it down. So apply it on the affected area and 1 hour after waxing, and just let it sit for 20 minutes and rinse it out with water, and that's it. So those are my top ways to use tea tree oil. There are other ways also, but for now I'm just gonna go and let you guys subscribe to my channel, like this video and comment down below. Okay, bye.